It's Christian from the Hardware Junkies here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV sticks. It's not that difficult of a process, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go over to your Settings tab on your Fire Stick, and then go down and go over to where it says Device. And there you're going to go down to Developer Options, and click ADB Debugging, turn that on. And apps from unknown sources, turn that on as well. So the next thing you're going to do is go over to the search and type in ES and put a space, and then ES Explorer, click on that, and ES File Explorer is what you're going to want. So here you just hit the get, it's going to download the app. And it'll do the install. Alright, so once it finishes installing, just hit the open button. And you're going to go over to the option where it says, X out of that, and go over to where it says Favorite, and hit Add. Now for the path, let me just grab the keyboard real quick, see if it'll work. Alright. So for the path, you're going to type in HTTPS sorry guys for the shaky camera, I'm using my iPad as a keyboard for this right now. // Kodi.tv /download. And then just hit next. And then for the name, you can just put Kodi. Alright, and then from there you just hit add. And then that'll create the bookmark. So now you can go down to the bottom. Oh, there it is. So you're going to go down to where it says Kodi at the bottom of favorites. Click that and it'll open it up. And now here's where you got to use your, you just kind of use the button to navigate through, and it'll highlight different parts. You can see the little orange highlight there. So you're going to want to go over to where it has the Android and go down to the ARM. Click on it. And then this will come up, and it'll begin to download Kodi. So I'll just pause it real quick while it does that, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so once that finishes downloading, you're just going to want to hit open file. It's a little hard to see which one you have highlighted, but if you go left and right you can kind of see if it has the open file or open folder open. But click on open file, and then that'll open that up, and go over and click on install. It'll bring up this menu here. It just kind of gives you all the permissions that it's going to need to access, and just go ahead and hit install down at the bottom right, and that'll go ahead and install. So then once that finishes installing, that'll bring up the app installed screen, and you can just go ahead and click on open, and it'll open up Kodi version 17. Or well, it'll install whatever the latest version is. Right now it's version 17. And there we are, into Kodi. So basically, once you get Kodi installed, you're not really going to have that many options, like right off the bat. It'll be able to play your local files, but it's not going to be able to play all of the free movies and whatever you want to get on it. So the next part I'm going to show you is how to install just one of the many different types of skins, or whatever you want to call it, so that you can access those free movies and TV shows. To start, you're going to hit the Settings tab at the top and go to File Manager and click on Add Source. So you're going to add the source that I have down in the description, so we'll get that in there. And that's the link that you're going to want to put in. So just hit on OK, and then create a name for it, so we can just put SC for Schism. SC, and then hit OK. And now from there you're going to go ahead and hit OK. And that's going to create the link. So now what you're going to do is go down to add-ons and go up to this little box and click install from zip. It's going to be disabled by default for security settings that you can't install from unknown sources, so just go to the settings and turn on unknown sources. And then we can go back and install from zip. And you're going to pick the one that we just added, which is SC, and go down to where it says plugin.video.dimITV.zip and click on that. And then you'll see the top bar there, it'll say it was successfully installed, so you just gotta wait a little bit for that to download and install. And then we can go back and now go down to Program Add-ons, and there it is. Open that up, and we're going to go down to the settings, click on that, and now you're going to have to enter the code. So you're going to go down to the link in the description that's going to take you to this website here, and the current code will show up there, and that's the code that you're going to plug into Kodi. So our code today, right now, is 537298. You're going to hit OK, and then go ahead with that, and then we can install. Oh, looks like I might have put it in wrong. Let me double check it and it'll be right. Yep, I just had to refresh the browser. I had a outdated code. So if that happens, just hit the refresh button and it'll give you the latest code. So then you're going to, like I said, go to the install and pick the one you want. Kodi Flix I haven't used. I'm going to try it out. I haven't tried that one. This is the one I'm going to show you guys, the Krypton edition, all-in-one. And there's also Serenity. We're just going to go with this one for this build. And that's going to download, and once that finishes, we'll be back. Once that's done, you're going to get the process complete sign that's going to come up. So you're just going to want to hit OK on that. And it'll go back to the main menu. And we want to go up to the settings over here. and go down to interface settings, and then under skin, go over here where it says skin, click on that. And we're going to use the anniversary edition. And would you like to keep this change? Yes. And then when you go back, you can see that Kodi now has the skin enabled. You can go through, find your TV shows, kids, movies, collections, live TV, basically whatever you want. It's still building, so it'll where that loading thing, it'll put a bunch of different movie icons and whatnot. As you can see, it's still building everything right now. So it looks a little bit better once it's totally ready to go. But that's about it, guys. So that's how you install Schism TV on Kodi. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out, and we will see you next time.